What's going on, guys? It's your boy Kyng Senio coming in today with a brand new video. As you guys can see, my hair is still intact and I am loving it. But we are not talking about my hair. We are talking about Nicki Minaj and that Barbie Dreams video. When I tell you that video was amazing and it was a hit and I loved every style and everything she done in that video, I gotta say congratulations to Nicki Minaj. I want to congratulate you if you see this video, babe. Congratulations, congratulations. Now, with that being said, guys, I was inspired by Nicki Minaj and her beautiful hair, and I'm also inspired by Tekashi69, and I made something do what it do. You know, one of my mannequins. I don't want you guys to see what I did. So if you want to see it, check out the rest of the video. first of all, what I ain't gonna let you do is leave this video without subscribing to my video. So if you guys have not yet subscribed to my video, please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and share my videos. And make sure above in my banner you follow all of my social media that I have linked above, and show your boy some love. Now you heard me, show your boy some love. Alright, so peace, love, goodbye to you guys.